Hello everybody, it's Frank again with a new budget mud truck video. In today's video, we will be installing a locker on the front Dana 60 on the budget mud truck. I know there is a lot of confusion out there about what lockers are for or what even differentials do. So I'll try to explain it a little bit with some really bad animation. So we begin with a car with 4 wheels, orange and red in color. These 4 wheels all turn at about the same speed when you're going on a nice flat surface. But this changes when you're going on an uneven surface. The way an open differential works, if one wheel has less traction than the other wheel, it'll shoot all the power to that wheel, which is great if you're turning on a nicely paved asphalt street, but not so great if you're off-roading on uneven surfaces. On a very basic level, what a locker does is make the 2 wheels on the same axle move at the same time. That way, even if one of your tires is completely off the ground, the other side of the axle will still keep turning, and in theory, will get you out of that bad spot. This is a very basic description of what a locker does, and there's many different types of lockers out there. Not all of them make both tires move at the same exact time, and not all of them are working all the time. Lucky for you, there's plenty of other content on YouTube explaining lockers, differential, so you can learn all about it. But enough educational stuff, it's time to actually do the install. It's a pretty straightforward process. You remove the 2 axle shafts, which I did in my last 2 videos, so I didn't really put that in this video. If you want to watch it, just go back to my last 2 videos and you'll see it. Once you have the axle shafts out of the way, you can start working on the actual diff. Taking off the cover, take out the spider gears, put in the locker, and then put everything back together. So I'll let you guys enjoy some music while that goes on, and I'll catch up to you when I start doing things wrong in a couple minutes. So, as you can see, I got my punch stuck because I didn't do my research on this and I tried to push that roll pin out in the wrong direction. It actually took me a really long time to get that punch back out of the differential, and when I did, I broke it off in the roll pin, which made the pin even harder to take out. Moral of the story, read how to do things properly before you actually start doing them. that's all there is to it. Other than that roll pin trying to eat my punch, it went pretty smoothly. I did take it out for a test drive and tried to turn as sharply as I could to see if there was any squealing or chirping. It did a little bit, but you can't really see it in the video, but I'll give you the video anyway. So until next time, I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you like this kind of content, please like, share, and subscribe. And if you have any questions, leave me a comment below. Thanks for watching.